In this video, you'll learn how to request money using the RBC mobile app. This is a simple way to ask someone to send you money through Interac eTransfer. Once you open the RBC app, go to the bottom right area next to the yellow button and tap on Move Money. On the next page, select Interac eTransfer. Then go to the Receiving Money section and tap on Request Money. From here, choose the person you want to request money from. For example, if you want to request $1 from a contact, select their name, enter the amount, and choose the account where you want the money to be deposited. If needed, you can also add details like an invoice number, due date, or a message. Then enter the recipient's email address if it's not already saved. Once everything is filled in, scroll down and tap Continue to send the request. And that's how you can request money using the RBC mobile app. It's a quick and convenient way to get paid or collect money from others. Just double-check the details before sending to make sure everything is correct.